Any other questions?
Static? Did you?
We did talk about static in the very last class.
It's not a bad idea in this particular case to go ahead and spend a few minutes talking about static for real now.
Okay. Is there a protected type? Yes, you can have protectedness, but obviously protectedness only makes sense in the context of inheritance, which is one of the major things we are going to be going over later in the class.
Yep.
So, okay, staticness. Staticness is a way to create a variable or a field or it's a way to create a member, which could be either a constant, a field, or a method or a property. And
Or a class.
well, yeah, or you can define a static class within here. But the main thing about what static does is it makes it shared between all instances of this type. We have effectively declared a global variable. Because inside of here, as of right now, class person doesn't in itself contain any data. This thing doesn't exist. This thing doesn't matter. This thing has no data, no memory allocated for it, just the thing that's there. And we use it by instantiating it and creating objects out of it. However, you could also use the concept of static to create effectively what's called a global, meaning that this variable is now a part or a member of the class, and there's only ever one of these available to us, and it's the same no matter where we're accessing it from. So now you notice that on line 20, every time a person is instantiated, and I'll do that in both the constructors, every time a person is instantiated, we increment our number of people variable. So now down here, after I instantiate 2 people, I can say console write line person dot number of people. And if I hit F5, you'll see 2 down there.